Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can edit screenshots you take or capture with the Loom screen recording and video meeting application. So let us get started. So guys, once you have captured the given screenshot with the Loom application on your desktop computer or your laptop, it will be saved inside your library here in your Loom account. So navigate to your Loom account, click into library on the left hand side, select screenshots. Next, what you want to do is click into the given screenshot from that list, and then you will be taken to this option here. So what you want to do here, guys, is click into edit image, and from there you will be given access to various editing tools like inserting text boxes, various shapes, arrows, rectangles. If you'd like to highlight a specific area, for instance, you may resize that, for instance, and move it, I don't know, to a specific area of the screenshot to highlight it. You may change the color of the rectangle here, change the fill box, for instance, and or activate the fill box. Then you may add various text boxes, like here, example text, and there's a cropping tool, for instance, also blurring tool, inserting background images. And once it's done, guys, click into save and copy here in the top right corner, or undo the edits. You may also navigate to the edit history to reset the previous version. So let me save these changes, and as you can see, these changes have been now applied to the screenshot. So if I, for instance, refresh the page here in the screenshot library, these changes will be applied, as you can see. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.